Secret habit number 1. The attitude. Topper have a never say die attitude toward their study. They are highly motivated throughout the year. When someone has the never say die attitude, they don't give up easily, which is very essential if you wish to become a topper. Secret habit number 2. Don't study for long. Topper don't study for long time daily. They believe your motive is quality and interest, not quantity and being repellent. Your motive is to develop your interest in study first. Study only when you feel you can do it. Secret habit number 3. Find a study group. Topper students not feel any hesitation to find a study group. Sitting down with a group of people who are learning the same things as you is a great way to go over confusing class material or prepare for a big test. You can quiz each other. Secret habit number 4. Good listener and questioner. A topper is always a good listener and may question to learn more from teacher, tutor, and friends. Secret habit number 5. Self-written notes. A self-written notes give a better understanding and quick learning. Topper always study the concept and learn it. After learning and complete understanding of it, they're making notes of it. It's always a good idea to build your concept.